Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a meringue cake. Start by separating eggs carefully and keeping bowls spotless to avoid fat contamination. Whip whites until glossy peaks form while gradually adding sugar for stability. Prepare a light filling like whipped cream or lemon curd to complement the sweet crunch. Layer meringues gently to preserve texture, chill briefly, then serve with fresh berries for bright balance and extra flavor. Gather simple ingredients and reliable tools before you begin. Measure precisely and have sugar handy to add slowly into whipped whites. A stand mixer or hand mixer saves time and creates consistent peaks. Use a metal or glass bowl for best results and keep everything dry and grease-free. Piping bags help shape layers neatly, and parchment paper prevents sticking. With prep complete, you can work steadily without interrupting the meringue structure. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanups effortless after busy baking sessions, with smart voice control to save time and hands for mixing. It's a handy helper when flour dust and crumbs pile up, freeing you to focus on cake assembly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shape your meringue discs evenly and bake at low temperature to dry them through without burning. Cool meringues in the turned-off oven to prevent cracks from sudden temperature changes. Whip a light filling to soft peaks and assemble layers carefully to avoid crushing the crisp discs. Chill the assembled cake briefly so layers set and slicing is cleaner. Finish with a sprinkle of cocoa or fresh fruit for contrast and serve gently to showcase texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.